Hi children, today I am going to start new chapter, that is hair. Where we can find the hair? Hair is everywhere. We can feel the hair but we cannot see the hair. Hair is all around us. It has no color, smell or taste. It cannot be seen but can only be felt. It is necessary for life. We need air for breathing because we are all human beings. The breathing is one of the feature of human beings, right? So for breathing what we require? We need air. So that is the reason air is very important for us. Okay, next, what does air contain? At home you must see that clothes kept under the sun become dry after some time, right? The water present of the cloths change into water vapor by the heat of the sun. This is water vapor mixed with the air. Thus air always has some water vapor in it. We should breathe clean and fresh air to stay healthy. For plants and trees we are getting fresh air, right? So we should breathe with clean and fresh air. That is why we should grow more plants, because we are getting air from plants, right? So that is the reason we should plant more plants. Understood? So we should grow more plants. Air becomes dirty by smoke and dust given off by vehicles and factories, etc. Nowadays the air is getting polluted, right? Because the factories, we are all using more vehicles. The vehicles will releasing the smoke to it get into the air, so air is getting polluted. So that is the reason we should plant more plants. Understood? So if we breathe with that dirty air, what will happen? We will fall in sick. We used to Next, properties of air. Let's see which are the properties of air. First one, air fills space. How? Look at this picture. The man is blowing one balloon, right? While blowing, what's happening? The balloon is getting changing because that air occupies a space inside the balloon. So this is how the air fills space. Second one, air has weight. So we can see two pictures here. The first picture, there are two blowed balloons are there, right? It's showing the weight are equal. Then in the second picture, one blowed balloon, another one is unblowed balloons. See, it's not showing equal weight. The blowed balloons, it is bended. The thing is bended. So because this way balloon has a weight. Because why? Because there is inside hair is there, so that is the reason it is bended. So it shows hair has weight. And third one, hair filled planktonate soft objects. See, this is ball, right? Football. We can take example of football. It is planted. If you blow this ball, it will get proper shape. And hair helps in burning. See, there are two pictures. The two candles are there. One candles are blowing and the another candles are next one is hair helps in burning. Look at the picture. In the picture we can see two candles, right? One candle is covered with glass. So inside the what is there inside the glass, that candle stops burning. Why? Because there is no options to hair get inside. So it covered with glass. So that is the reason that candle stops burning. But another candle is burning. Why? Because there is air. So this is help. Hair is helps in burning. And hair helps in moving things. Air will helps to move the sailboat and kites. And next one is wind. What is wind? A moving air is called wind. Breeze. A gently moving air is called breeze. And storm. What is storm? Next one, storm. What is storm? A strong wind that blows with very fast with thunder and lightning and with rain. That is called storm. Blow things away and can causes damage to trees and houses. Storm can be very harmful. And next one, gale. A very strong wind is called gale. A very strong wind is called gale. And also we can see uses of winds. Winds will help to move the boats and sail. That wind helps to fly the kites and wind helps to dry the cloths. Understood? So this is a way air is very important for us.